Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. It's been a while since I've done the last one, so I figured why don't I do another one and continue on my journey to, I don't know, give you some information. Who knows? This time I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna do my face and discuss things. I don't know if you'll find this point of view interesting, where I show you my some of my cycling footage while I discuss over it. Anyway, today's video is about conflicts of interest or conflict of interest. As the last one was about survivorship bias, so where people tell you about their success stories, but they never tell you about their failures, which you would probably learn more from those failures than you would do ever from those success stories, because they might have happened purely by luck, and it's most likely the case. So basically, a lot of these success story guys, when you check out their profiles, and not accusing anybody or saying anything weird, um, you find them selling like a subscription to their course platform and everything. And this is where the conflict of interest comes in, because they more or less will try to pretend to help you while not really giving you the real secret to their success. As I mentioned, a lot of people learn from their failures more than what they will ever do from watching these success stories. Um, so yeah, basically, it's kind of a they are intentionally not giving you the missing ingredient in the recipe to the success or to success, and this will always keep you in like a loop of how do I phrase this? If they have a subscription, it's in their best interest to keep you in and not help you as much as you think you are getting, but also still helping you enough to feel like you are getting, your worth, or the subscription's worth. So they basically keep you in a loop where they give you some basic information that you could find anywhere, basically, but they found it, but you can find all of it in the same place. So you would think that they are giving you something that you've never seen, or you've never heard, but in reality, just a couple of random motivational bullshit at best, I guess. But yeah, I mean, well, that's how they keep you in their subscription. And another way they would probably do this is to create artificial problems and sell you on the solution to those problems that you've probably never faced. Something like, for example, it's, if you're happy with your 9 to 5, I'm personally happy with my 9 to 5. I don't have any issue. Technically, for me, it's 8 to 4, but who cares? Not about technicalities. And somebody comes in and is like, if you've never made 100 billion, trillion, gazillion dollars, you're not successful and you would never be happy in your life. But indeed, I am kind of happy in my life. And it starts to give you doubt about what you're doing in your life. Like, how am I not making a gazillion dollars? Like, how is this guy making a gazillion dollars and I'm not? And then they will tell you, well, go to my $1,000 dropshipping course and I'll tell you everything. And that's how they sell you a problem that you've never ever thought about, and they sell you the solution as well, which is their $1 billion, or excuse me, $1,000 uh, road to gazillion dollar in e-commerce and dropshipping. Which, in actuality, once you join and try, and you never get anywhere. I mean, a lot of these people fake their results, and as I say, it's conflict of interest. Like, do they give you enough? Or do they give you the missing ingredient for you to actually succeed and never come back to them? Or do they give you the minimum for you to at least feel some kind of success and not succeed technically, but you will still come back for their other courses, etc., etc. A lot of them do something like, well, the previous course is an old one. Now we have drop shipping to a gazillion bazillion dollars, V2. And yeah, now you're interested. Like, maybe V1 knows the problem. Maybe V2 will solve my problem. And in reality, no, neither V1 nor V2 would be able to solve your problems if you don't try and fail yourself. Um, and yeah, that's how it goes. I mean, a lot of these people or these success stories, if they succeed once, it's not an indication that they are, I don't know, a brilliant mind or somebody who can actually teach you how to succeed. Because let's be honest, I don't think, and I want to make an example of somebody, but I don't want to name any people, but I'm going to give you an example of someone who had a marketing agency and it didn't make any money basically, but in his videos he pretended that he made a lot of money. And I'm not talking about anybody in specific. If you have an example or a person in mind, I'm not talking about him, okay? This is just a virtual example. Wink, wink. Okay. And he didn't make a lot of money or any money, basically. He was breaking even, I think. And he pretended that he made like a millions from his marketing agency and basically created a course around that marketing agency and how to make millions of dollars in marketing agencies. And basically he was not a millionaire, so uh he rented his life basically. So he rented mansions, rented cars to show people that he's actually a millionaire when in reality he's not. He's basically renting everything. And this it's basically the mindset of fake it till you make it. And he convinced people that he was actually a genius of marketing. He created this agency course thing where a lot of people subscribed, and that's how he made his money. And then he actually bought mansions and cars for real, and now he pretends to be a millionaire from all of his successful ventures, in between quotes, when in reality he made them all from selling courses about how to be successful, when in reality he was never successful to begin with. And yeah, it's kind of funny. Well, yeah, it's fake it till you make it until the end. And yeah, I guess this how it goes for this video. I don't know what to talk about in the next one, so maybe see you in a few months again.